Magic Stone's origin is in family stone carving business since 1995. Verified gold supplier at Alibaba. One of the top 5 leading suppliers in stone industry in China. We cooperate with more than 10 Chinese factories, focus on designing and supplying natural stonework suitable for landscape decor. Pursues the natural beauty of simplicity, uniqueness, ease and fun. In a world of throwaway products and materials, Magic Stone offers something time-tested to reduce environmental impact. Magic Stone also recycles a large variety of discarded stone to make fine crafts, turning waste into wealth. We have sufficient raw material. The stockyard of Basalt Factory has 13,000 square meters. And we deliver 200 to 300 containers every year. Each piece of stone we used is gifted by our Mother Earth, formed naturally underground after millions of years. And been mined legally and properly. Each piece of stonework we produced is handcrafted by our skilled craftsmen, with high creativity and uniqueness. Magic Stone commits to show the beauty of nature. We look forward to support customers who have same love and passion on landscape decor art. Thanks for your wise choice to cooperate with us. Enjoy nature, enjoy life, enjoy Magic Stone.